here it is, folks. The storm of storms. As you can see, I'm out of work. It's Monday, January 28th. I'm not going to stay out here long. I've just got, well, you see what I have on. Not much. Anyway, with a bad likeness of myself. But we are going to be holed up today. I may shoot a work commute video just to show people this, but Philippines, eat your hearts out. I know I've got a few friends down there, online friends that is. This is affecting every state in the upper half of the United States. I do believe it had already busted over California and Colorado, and now headed this way. This is it, and I look like Frosty the Snowman now, so I think I'm gonna go in. If you like this type of in-depth reporting, do hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends. This is a day in the year 2019 channel. You'll see here the car's got his lights on, coming down the way. Ooh, it's a state of Michigan car. Okay, well, I'm going to sign off now. Peace out.